In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use toggles and a table of contents effectively in Notion. If you're looking to boost your productivity and streamline your Notion pages, mastering these features will definitely be a game changer for you. So, let's dive right in. First, you'll want to log in to your Notion account. If you're new to Notion, just head over to their website and enter your credentials. Once you're in, you'll be greeted by your workspace where you can access all your pages. Next, choose an existing page that you'd like to enhance with these features, or feel free to start fresh by creating a new page. Simply head to the sidebar and click New Page. This will set the stage for our little tutorial today. Now, let's get into the nitty-gritty of adding a table of contents. So, why should you use a table of contents? Well, it's a fantastic way to help you and others navigate long documents efficiently. To add one, just type Table of Contents on a new line within your page. This action will prompt an option that you can select. The great thing about this feature is that Notion will automatically populate the table of contents with clickable links to all the headings in your document. This dynamic feature not only makes navigation a breeze, but also keeps your document organized. Moving on to toggles, which are great for collapsing content and decluttering your view. Start by typing Sir Toggle on a fresh line on your page. You'll then see an option labeled Toggle List. Go ahead and select that. It's an amazing way to organize related content under a simple header, making it visible only when needed. Once you've created a toggle, give it a title that describes the hidden content. This will make it easier for you to remember what's inside without having to expand it each time. To add content to your toggle, click inside the toggle body and type away or even drag content into it. This method will keep everything tidy, hidden from view, until you need to access it. Finally, let me show you a neat little trick. To hide the contents within the toggle, simply click the arrow next to your toggle's title to collapse it. And when you need to view the details again, just click the same arrow to expand it. This interaction provides a seamless experience, allowing you to focus only on the information you need at any given moment. And there you have it. By incorporating tables of contents and toggles into your Notion workflow, you're on your way to creating more structured and easily navigable documents. These tools will undoubtedly enhance your productivity and organization skills. Thanks for tuning in, and happy Notioning!